Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4, 11 Science 1. We'll present the result of our discussion about how and why bullying can happen with members Sabil Ahmad, Syadin Nur Adila, Tiara Nur Fadilah, Yasmin Faikoh, Zahra Aura Rahma, dan Zakia Nur Rahmawati.
Definition of bullying according to some experts. The first, according to Alves, stated that bullying is an act carried out by a group or a person continuously by the time of a victim that cannot defend themselves easily. Second, according to Sejiwa, bullying is a situation that is an abuse of physical or mental strength by a person or group. In this situation, the victim is unable to defend themselves. And third, according to Wicaksana, bullying is a long-term physical and psychological abuse by a person or group to someone who was unable to defend themselves in a situation which the group has a desire to hurt the victim and defeat them.
Definition bullying. Based on this statement, bullying is a repeated aggressive behavior by a group in position of power that deliberately intimidates, abuses, or coerces a weaker person with intention to hurt physically or emotionally.
Types of bullying. First, physical bullying. Physical bullying is a bullying that is carried out by involving physical such as injuring someone's body, which can cause short-term and long-term effects. Physical bullying includes hitting, kicking, pinching, passing, and destroying other people's belongings. Second, verbal bullying. Verbal bullying is bullying that involves words, either written or spoken. Verbal bullying includes teasing, calling inappropriate names, mocking, insulting, and threatening. Third, social bullying. Social bullying is bullying that results in damage to someone's reputation or relationship. Social bullying includes yelling, spreading negative rumors, humiliating someone, and isolating someone. Fourth, cyberbullying. Bullying in cyberspace in intimidating behavior that is carried out using digital technology. Cyberbullying includes uploading inappropriate images or video, spreading gossip online, and using other people's information on social media. And the last is sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is an act that is harmful and sexually humiliating to someone. This sexual intimidation includes catcalling, vulgar gesture, touching, and pornographic material.
The causes of the bullies to bully and the effect on the victim being bullied both lead to each other. There is always a reason why a person is being bullied, or why he or she is bullying. The following are the effects of bullying on victims and the causes of bullies to bully. First, effects of bullying on the victim. The effects of bullying on the victim is it could bring down the victim's self-confidence. This can lead to depression, suicidal thoughts, abnormal fear, and worry. Victims may experience nervous breakdowns and often cry, never show themselves or try to make friends. Now, The cause of bullying on the bullies. The causes of bullying would be neglect from parents. The bullies want to get noticed because they don't have any attention at home. Bullies have an aggressive personality and a lack of adult supervision. Usually, people with low self-esteem and a certain amount of unconscious resentment, such as envy and jealousy, that pushes the bully to project their own feelings of inadequacy onto you while denying that anything is wrong with them.
On this slide, we will explain about how to prevent bullying through the family, school, and community. First, we will explain about how to prevent bullying through the family. Teach the children about religious values, give affection from an early age, build a child's self-confidence, able to educate the children to be more courageous and decisive, evolve the children's ability to socialize, and educate the children to detect early the possibility of being bullied. Second, prevention through the school. Make some socialization activities with the theme of intimidation. Make a prevention program that bullying is not allowed in school and create an anti-bullying police. Build effective communication between teachers and students. Hold regular meetings with parents or the school commit, and set up the school as a safe place of communication for the victims. And last, prevention of the community can be by reporting to the authorities and moreover building community groups that care about child protection, like Perlindungan Anak Terpadu Berbasis Masyarakat or PATBM.
Conclusion and recommendation definition. Bullying may be a socially unsatisfactory behavior caused by both social rejection and various fundamental drivers, causes, personality factor, physical, social factor, family risk factor. Recommendation. In any case, we must understand that bullying can be a disorder that can be controlled and eliminated, and also understand that the insight given over might not be defended, since there are cases in which bullying incidents are not reported on or unreported. Generic structure and main ideas of explanation text. General statement. Paragraph 1. Introduction and the definition of bullying. Explanation sequence. Paragraph 2. The type of bullying. Paragraph 3. Cause and effect of bullying. Paragraph 4. How to prevent bullying from happening. Closing. Paragraph 5. Conclusion of each paragraph.
There are language figures. First, noun phrases, position of power, place of communication. Second, passive voice. The victim can have a nervous breakdown and frequently cry. Third, simple present tense. Cyberbullying includes uploading inappropriate images or videos, spreading gossip online, and using other people's information on social media. Fourth, action verbs. Act, make, cry, hit, start, teach, give. For example, teach the children about religious values. Fifth, linking words. And, as, such as, first, second, third, to. For example, family risk factor such as painful childhood experience. 6. Conjunction. So, and, but, because. For example, the victim can have a nervous breakdown and frequently cry. 7. Technically terms, like online, social media, and cyberbullying.
That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.